Now, taking a look at Learning Target 2.1 for the Unit 2 test. It's asking me to evaluate inductive reasoning techniques, and very specifically, it's saying which of these scenarios illustrates good inductive reasoning and what makes it good. Because it's kind of hard to write a lot on here, I'll go ahead and type the answer in here. Reminder, for inductive reasoning, I'm looking for a pattern. So this is something that's had to have happened more than twice. Happening twice isn't necessarily a pattern, so 3 or more times. And then I'm making a conjecture based on that pattern, not on something else. It's based on that pattern. So what I said was, when I look at this, story A, 4 times in a row, that's actually really good, that this has happened more than once, more than twice. So Jawan goes to the grocery store, he sees his math teacher. So what is happening? He is seeing his math teacher. I don't like that color. Kind of hard to read through it. So the conjecture should be then something about seeing his math teacher. So he sees his math teacher 4 times. He conjectures that every time he goes to the grocery store, he will see his math teacher. Cool. That's actually good inductive reasoning. So the first one, Jawan used good inductive reasoning because, and what makes it good? He saw a pattern and assumed that the pattern would continue. Now, that's the only one I put down for good inductive reasoning. So when it came to the other two, I said they were poor inductive reasoning. Let's go back and figure out why. Story C was pretty easy because something happened once and he assumed that it would always happen. So you don't have that pattern part for the third one. Story B, it does have 4 times in a row. So I see that and I think, okay, something's happened 4 times in a row. When she wore her blue shirt, the team lost. So when he goes to the grocery store, he sees his math teacher. So he conjectures that when he goes to the grocery store, he will see his math teacher. She wore her blue shirt and the team lost. Unfortunately, her conjecture is if she wears her green shirt, the team will win. You can't make this conjecture validly using inductive reasoning based on what happened here. So what I said was, in the first one, which is story B, she saw a pattern of wearing her blue shirt and the team losing, but she has no reason to believe that wearing her green shirt will help the team to win. A better example of good inductive reasoning would have been that Madi believed that if she wore her blue shirt, the team would lose. So she's worn it 4 times, the team lost. If she wears it again, the team should lose. That would be a good conjecture. And again, the story 3 is not good inductive reasoning because you have to have a pattern. This has only happened once. So there's no way that Joan could see a pattern with only one example. If she votes absentee 3 more times and her candidate loses each time, then she'd have a reason to conjecture that her candidate will lose if she votes absentee. So you have to have a pattern, and your conjecture has to be directly related to the pattern you saw, assuming that that exact pattern will continue. Thank you.